मेरा नाम देवांश है, मैं दिल्ली से बिलोंग करता हूँ।
My name is Vansh and I belong to Delhi.
My name is Poonam Yadav.
मेरा नाम तौफीक आलम है।
I'm participating in agile activity in HT Lab and my experience is good.
Experience काफ़ी fun था, दोस्तों के साथ collaboration किया और बाकियों का projects भी अच्छा लगा।
And it is a great experience for me. Thank you.
एंड आज मैंने एजाइल एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट किया। एक्सपीरियंस इज सो ग्रेट।
Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Yadav.
My name is Madhav and I am from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh.
तो जिस क्लाइंट से आपको अगर प्रोजेक्ट मिला है वो बीच में अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट चेंज कर दे, एक बार रिक्वायरमेंट देने के बाद, तो आप क्या करोगे?
Good evening everyone, my name is Vansh Vidodi and I have a team called Team Scuba and my members are Devansh.
We have sales performance dashboard and we do some KPIs. You can see also we have top.
अब एक टीम डिवाइड होगी उधर और एक टीम बैठेगी इधर, ठीक है। टोटल कितने हैं? 20 है, तो अच्छी बात है, 10-10 की टीम बन जाएगी, ठीक है।
Good evening everyone, my name is Vansh Vidodi and I have a team called Team Scuba and my members are Devansh. And recently we were working on a project called Sales Opportunity and today I am representing you the dashboard called Sales Performance Dashboard. And as you can see there in our dashboard we have used some KPIs for total gross value, total MSC gross value, total next value, total customers, which is very useful for us. And we have also used some slicers here by which we can manipulate the data, and we have 3 insights which are showing top 10 regions by gross value, sum of expected value by zone, sum of gross value and sum of net value by month.
Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Yadav. Today I am representing sales performance of dashboard using Tableau. This bar chart is show the total sales of each regions. We can quickly identify the highest performance and lower performance by regions. It's have the managing focus on the region's performance.
I know that it's relatively a simple and basic dashboard compared to the sophisticated one of Scuba team, but it's alright, we are quite inexperienced right now. Okay, let me explain this one. This one is sales by region. The darker side shows that the region which has higher sales, and the lighter side shows which has lower sales. That's about it, nothing more. And this one shows different type of processes. The one in which companies lost, the companies win. That's it.
My name is Madhav. I am the team leader. This is my project. This is project that we are creating called Hospital Management System. Project name Arogya Care.
The purpose of this project is this project enables users or patients to online appointment bookings and reducing the paperwork, and we admin can control the patient, doctors and sign up details. And the features of this project is any user can book appointments at any times and can see her progress.
We are dividing this project into 2 modules. One for patient, another for admin, doctors. Doctors also can enroll, and if doctor enrolled, he's got admin section, admin panel for doctor, and patient is another section. Patient can visit. You can explain.
This is the login page.
इसमें हम लॉगिन कर सकते हैं और साइन अप भी कर सकते हैं। अगर किसी का अकाउंट क्रिएट नहीं है तो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं साइन अप पे जाके। अगर लॉगिन है, मतलब आईडी बनी हुई है, साइन अप किया हुआ है, तो देन एंटर योर ईमेल आईडी एंड फोन नंबर, 2 ऑप्शंस हैं।
You can mention second page, okay?
या
You can आपने बोल रहा है कि मैं कोई भी नाम है तो सेकंड में आपने क्रिएट किया, पहले तो आपको ये रखना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको लॉगिन करना है। किसी वेबसाइट पे आप जाते हो तो पहले वो रजिस्टर पेज खोलता है कि लॉगिन पेज खोलता है? ये रजिस्टर पेज है आपका। This is login page. This is
लॉगिन पेज है।
Firstly, we open login page.
Login
If I
page.
am not registered, then we go on register
Create
page
account.
and give registration details.
sign up page.
And after
Clicking
that,
here.
you can do.
Okay. Resolve. Okay.
बेसिकली मैं आपको सिंपल में समझाता हूँ। JWT हम लोग यूज़ कर रहा है ताकि कोई भी डुप्लीकेट जो वैल्यू है, जैसे मेरा नाम शुभम है, मैंने एक नंबर से अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट किया और ईमेल आईडी डाला, मैं सेम नंबर और सेम ईमेल आईडी से दोबारा जब अकाउंट क्रिएट करेंगे ना, तो वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी लिखा आएगा कि यूजर ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करके, ताकि कोई भी डुप्लीकेसी क्रिएट ना हो और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स ना फेस करना पड़े। इस कारण से JWT ऑथेंटिकेशन यूज कर रहा है ताकि वो डुप्लीकेट्स को रिप्लेस करे और बाकी वो स्मूथ कर दे प्रोसेस को।
I think you understand. You able to understand what we want to say.
You can see here.
At your second page, right?
Yes, basically register जब करता था। And now the home page. Basically, we have the 24/7 emergency support, and we have the number and where you can contact at the hospital, and I have also mentioned the email ID, and after that basically we have the facilities like 24/7 emergency, and we have the expert doctors, and we are using to our hospitals advanced technology, and we value the patient care first, and basically we have so many departments here, and the departments are cardiology, neurology, orthopedics, gynecology, dental care, and after that radiology and general surgery are there, and basically we have the most expert doctors are here, like Dr. Rahul is the cardiology department, and after that my teammates will present.
Dr. Cardiology, it is helpful.
Clap for Shivam.
This is mainly purpose to heart disease. This is mainly to brain, and this is for bone like ligament, and this is for dental. इसका मतलब सिर्फ दांत।
Yeah.
और इसका radiology.
After this,
Radiology. It is a child purpose doctor, and general surgery is non appendix.
Yeah.
और ये
You are checking the ratings. Ratings.
ratings. You can also the ratings. And this is a whole dashboard of this is doctor management, appointment system, ward management, laboratory management, billing and payment, patient management, patient list, add new patient, medical history, insurance, report analysis system, admission dashboard, system setting, and
We have the dashboard, and the first is doctor management. So many doctors are there to manage, and after that appointment system, a patient can book the appointments, and after that the ward management system are also there, and after that the laboratory management system we have created in our website, and after that the billing payments, and we have to manage the patient as well, and we have created patient's lead, how to register a patient by using patient's list, add new patient, medical history, insurance management, and basically we have the dashboard, how many patients visit our websites, and how many appointments are there, all the departments from the drop down menu are there, and the date range also there, and basically how much revenue we will generate from our website also there, and we have the graph to present the overview appointment are also there, and basically we have the created this week, last month or upcoming months, and
these are
basically these are the department wise patients,
Upcoming.
and अपकमिंग पेशेंट्स आर ऑल्सो देयर दिख सकता है, लेकिन जो अब ऑलरेडी पेशेंट्स है हमारा, उसका जो इलाज चल रहा है बेसिकली वो चलता रहेगा, उसमें कोई भी रुकावट नहीं आएगी। वो हो सकता है कि आप देख नहीं पाओ कि क्या इलाज चल रहा है या कौन से डॉक्टर अवेलेबल है, क्योंकि उसमें टेक्निकल के कारण वो दिक्कत हो सकता है।
Thank you so much.
केयर एक्स को मिले हैं 16 पॉइंट। इनका प्रेजेंटेशन इनिशियली बहुत अच्छा नहीं था, पर एड ऑन हुआ था धीरे धीरे। एंड टीम कंट्रीब्यूशन इज गुड, कॉन्फिडेंस इज सो, बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी बहुत कैजुअल था। तो इसमें जो विनर है वो टीम निंजा। क्लैप फॉर देम। टीम स्कूबा, क्लैप फॉर देम। इनका presentation was very good, team bonding is very good, body language is very good, and the communication is very good. Clap for them.
Many more things which I had never heard before. So it was a great experience. Thank you.
कि कैसे एक कंपनी में प्रेजेंटेशन दी जाती है और कैसे जो पब्लिक फेयर है उसको फेस किया जाता है, और नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है तो फिर इस चीज़ का काफ़ी ध्यान रखा जाए।
सबसे पहले मैं दिशा मैम का और रवि सर का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा जो आज की इस एक्टिविटी का आयोजन किया। आज हमें इस प्रोजेक्ट में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है।
आज मैंने एजाइल एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट किया, एक्सपीरियंस इज सो ग्रेट।
Today I am participated in Agile activity. It was a great experience, and thank you Disha ma'am for conducting this type of activity.
एजाइल एक्टिविटी हुई थी, उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करके बहुत अच्छा लगा, काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला।
Today I am participating in Agile activity where I am gaining practical experience and gaining how we can work in teams.